what?
Go and get a phone. Go and get your own selfie.
Were you not playing the music for everybody?
Imagine. Like I said, if you want to dance, go and get yourself a phone. My phone. Oh, girl.
Laura,
Yes?
why are you talking to me like that? Hey, you pass now, she's talking to me now. You pass seen it, oh. Laura, be careful.
Really?
Be careful, I'm warning you.
I'm scared of you. I'm scared of you. Oh, girl. Go and get yourself a phone. You do anything.
Laura.
What?
Laura.
Yes?
Laura.
Yes?
I'm still saying my own, no. Be careful.
What is happening here? Will you stop? Muna, get back to your seat. What are you people doing inside while others are outside on break? Eh? Muna, I believe you started this. Haven't I warned against this? Huh? Haven't I?
But Saj, she was...
Shut up! Shut up! You think here is a dance hall where you come and practice African Michael Jackson? Eh? And African Sonny Ade? Opening yourself woo wah dee wo? Eh? Eh? Now come here. Come here!
Sir, it is Laura!
Will you shut up? I said shut up your mouth! Come here with me.
Greetings, my queen.
Yes, John.
I humbly report the arrival of the Council of Elders, my queen.
Okay. I'll join them shortly.
Yes, my queen. Announcing the arrival of Queen Rebecca I, the ruler of Obimu Kingdom.
Greetings, Your Highness.
You're all welcome, my dear council members.
Thank you, Majesty. Thank you, my queen. But may I ask of the whereabouts of Chief Patrick?
Chief Kalu, yes, it's not the duty of our queen to know the whereabouts of the Prime Minister.
Thank you, Chief Gibson. Well, can we forge ahead with the meeting?
Dad.
Son.
Yeah. Yes, I'm back. I assume you're going for your council meetings.
Yes.
Okay.
I am the Prime Minister.
I know.
I do what pleases me. After all, soon you'll be made the king. Since the ghost granddaughter of Queen Rebecca is yet to be seen.
Yeah, but you know, I wish they can find her.
Will you shut up, son? Do not wish her that. Don't you know you are the heir to the throne? The queen has fooled us long enough.
Okay, fine. Then what if this missing granddaughter of hers is found? What will happen?
Then let her present the princess before the council. Yes. I will see you when I come back.
That girl, eh? I will beat her. I will make sure I beat her later today. I will flog that girl.
You don't have to. She's a whack and you know it. They are all a bunch of dread.
Hey! Hi. You know I'm not good speaking in the public.
But you are good in playing. Come on, you and I know that you are good. Let's wait until the class is over.
She? Okay now. Then let's look for somewhere nice to go and have fun.
Not now. Come on. You say you're supposed to go and have fun. Rather go inside and learn. It's not yet break time.
Hey! That man, that Uncle Chris, that man hates me. Oh. I don't even know what I've done. What will I do?
Just forget it. Let's go.
Okay, well, me, I'm not saying my own. No. That girl, she will collect this today. I will beat her.
Michael, will mind graciously for the presentation of your granddaughter and supposed princess.
That is, if she exists.
I honorably urge you all for patience.
For how long? Our festival is fast approaching, and we need to name an heir or heiress to the throne of Obimoke. Yes. Do you think there's still much time left, my queen?
My fellow council members, if I may be allowed to speak.
Yes.
The Imoloto clause gives the queen the privilege to do whatever she wants to do. And in this regard,
Chief Ibuma, if there was a time for you to be more elaborate in your speech, that time is now.
Helen.
There's no need for sarcasm. My late son had a daughter before he died, and I'm aware of it. The mother of the child, that's my granddaughter, the mother to my granddaughter, relocated recently. I'm sure I'll find her and I'll present
To you, your princess, the heiress.
Well, my fellow council members, let your patience be patient. Let's grant the queen her demands.
We've heard you, Prime Minister.
You pick on me always. You mock me. Why? What have I done to you? Now it's my time.
You have been on my neck. You think you are the only beautiful girl. Huh?
You guys should stop. Mona, let's go.
Just leave me alone. I don't want to fight any of you. Am I the only one from a poor background? Am I?
Mona, it's okay. She was angry you won her, that's all.
Really?
Yes.
I've warned you both. Stay away from me.
I can't understand this. What on earth am I supposed to do now? Why would Helen relocate without informing me? I mean, it's so absurd.
Please be calm, my queen. Let's be positive.
I am under pressure here. Can't you get it? I mean, if I cannot present her before the council or during the festival, then the royal leadership of this kingdom will be retracted. And Williams will be made the heir apparent to the throne. I can't let that happen.
Greetings, my queen.
Oh.
Gladly I come with good news.
Come on, let it out.
They've been found. Somewhere in the suburb.
Oh my goodness. Then what are we waiting for? Let's move now. Please get my handbag. Okay.
My princess. Children, it's okay, it's okay. Stop playing with my princess. Eh? Can't you see she's just coming back from school? My princess, go home.
I'm going already. But this your princess of a thing. I don't understand though.
Are you not my princess? You're my princess.
But wait though. Uncle Mike, why are you always calling me my princess, my princess, my princess, my princess, my princess? Why?
Nothing, just my spirit directed me to call you my princess. That's why I'm calling you my princess. Okay, is it bad for me to call you my princess?
I did not say it's bad though. It's not a bad thing, no. Just that my mother is always calling me my princess, that's why. It's
okay. Go home now, Go home and rest, my princess.
You see? Again, my princess. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Yeah.
My brother, you don't have to be acting like a chicken. Yes. Do you know what you're talking about? To be heir apparent to the throne of the people kingdom. This is what every full-born, full-fleshed human being, male of this kingdom, will accept with all dignity.
Listen, Ken, I know that. But that will only happen if the queen does not provide that girl.
Then let us pray she doesn't surface. Yes. See, my friend, I want you to be the king. You have to be brave and you have to be brave and strong. Yes. See, if you know all the efforts your uncle is making, every effort he's making for you to be king, you will sit up. Do you know? If your parents were to be alive now, they would have made you the king. You know that.
I agree with you. You're right. But you see, there's a tradition in this land. After the death of King Jason, you know, Richard was supposed to be the king. Richard is no more. Meaning that any child of Richard is supposed to take over the throne. But if he does not have any child, it is left for either me, father, right? Good. But right now, the queen is saying that the princess is coming back.
Let her show her face. I know I'm saying this, oh. You have to be strong. See, if I ever have my way, I will make sure that that girl disappears forever.
Hey, no,
Yes.
No, please. Don't even say that again. Ken, I am begging you. This is not my style. No, I don't want that. Don't even think about it. No. Please. Let's just go. But just take that out of your mind. I've heard everything you said. Fine, but
sit up, alright? Like seriously, I want you to be the king.
I know.
Mom, I know who I am. I'm a young girl with great vision. But those people, they are always looking for my trouble. Always insulting me. And I don't want to fight.
Don't leave it, okay? Do not fight with anybody. All you need to do is to read your books and make your grades, okay?
I'm not a real life princess. So why are you always calling me my princess? Hey, did you tell Uncle Mike to call me princess too?
Did he call you that? Now go inside, get your shoe so you can have the lunch. Okay?
My princess. My princess.
Surround
road cut ahead. The road is bad.
So my queen will trek.
It's okay, it's okay. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
What can bring you down? Grace and power surround you, and all your glory shines around. You're a princess shining bright like a star. Royal blood, a princess, that's what you are. You're a princess shining bright like a star. Royal blood, a princess.
This is all tricks. There is no child anywhere. By the time you, my fellow elders, will wake up and realize that Queen Rebecca is a very smart queen, the better for us.
Then what do you suggest?
Let's deny her another chance. If she doesn't produce the princess before the upcoming festival, then we'll have every reason to install my nephew.
You are rather cunning indeed. Let me say. And you didn't say your mind in that. Huh? Okay.
I know. What I mean is, next time she demands for time,
yes,
let's deny her that.
Good.
Okay?
Yeah.
You know how much I value that throne for my nephew. If we get it, you stand to gain a lot.
That's great.
So think twice.
You know I'm always on your side. My dear Patrick. Ha!
Jesus. My queen! Hey! Hey! My queen! My queen! You're welcome! You're welcome! My queen, I'm coming! Hey! Ebuka! 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 Hey! My queen, I'm coming! My queen, please. Sit down.
No, no! My queen can't sit on this plastic.
Peter, it's okay. Hey, my queen, please. Helen, it's okay. How are you? I'm fine, ma. And how's my granddaughter, your daughter doing? She just stepped up now, ma. You're welcome. Please, what can I offer you? Water, food, anything, my queen. Sit down. Why did you relocate without informing me? I've been searching for both of you since. Please forgive me, my queen. Things were so bad for us, we couldn't survive it. We had to move. Remember you asked me to keep Muna's secret. It's okay. How did you find us, ma? I can always find my way around things. Well, I'll have to wait until my granddaughter gets back. Okay, ma. Let me find you. Oh, Helen, no. Calm down. Sit down. I'm glad to see you. Same here, ma.
Hey, where are you going? Stay here. You can't go in there. Go this way.
Why? Who are you? And what are you doing here?
My name is Peter, the Chief Security Officer to Queen Rebecca, the ruler of Obimo Kingdom. May I know you, please?
Well, I am Muna Richards.
Oh, my princess! My princess, you may go in at once.
Princess?
Yes, you're my princess. I greet you. Go in at once.
Princess Mona.
I know I did ask you to keep it a secret, but sometimes once I go there, you don't take this
Oh, you, my goodness, this is my granddaughter. You're all grown up now.
My princess, my love. Can we talk? Excuse me.
Mom, there's no need. Just say what you want to say here.
Look at me. She's your grandmother, the mother of your late father. She's the ruler of Obimo Kingdom.
I don't understand. She's my grandmother, the ruler of Obimo Kingdom. Then who was my father?
Your father was my late son, the heir to the throne of Obimo Kingdom.
Wait, Mommy. When I asked you if I'm a real life princess, you said no. Why did you lie to me?
My princess, it's not what you think, okay? This is not the right time for all this.
Yes, it's time. My dear, you are a true life princess. The throne of Obimo rests on your shoulders. Yes. And you must come and claim it.
Yes, my love.
No! You are not my grandma. And you can never be. Just leave.
Muna! Forgive me, my queen, please.
The queen is doing all this because...
Please.
Helen, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I understand how she feels. Now, you go in, take care of her, take care of yourself, right? Okay, I'll be back.
Thank you, ma. Your cars?
Oh, there's a road cut over there, so we had to park on the other side of the road.
That's a wrong road, ma. Let me show you the right one in case of next time.
Okay, all right. Let's go.
Okay.
Where do you think of going? You can't go this direction. Who are you? I'm Peter, Chief Security to Queen Rebecca.
And my queen, just before the road cuts, there's a turn by your right. Just follow it down to lead you to my house. Yes.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you, ma. Bye-bye.
Robin.
What's wrong? What are those people doing there?
Robin, I'm lost.
Cool down. Just talk to me.
I feel neglected and lonely.
I am so happy. I mean, who could have believed that? See my granddaughter.
I told you, my queen, that I will find them.
Yes, Peter, you've done well. You have done marvelously well.
My queen, so when is she coming back home?
Oh, pretty soon. Sooner than expected. Now I can face the council members boldly.
Muna.
I trusted you. I believed you. And now look, is this what I get?
Listen, it's not what you think. I can explain.
Explain what? What do you want to explain? You prefer lying to me than saying the truth? Is that it? You. I hate you. I hate you. I hate that woman. I hate this kingdom. I don't want to rule any kingdom. I hate all of you.
Muna. Muna! Muna! Muna, come back here. Muna, I said come back here. Listen, my love. It's your birthright. You can't say no to it. If you say no, a lot of things will go wrong. Can't you understand? Muna. I'm sorry.
I don't care.
Muna! Muna!
Come on, but you are here to tell me why you are feeling this bad about her. I've not seen you look this unhappy since all my life.
Robin, you will not understand. But I feel so hurt.
Okay, you don't want to tell me. So, who are those people back there? They appeared royal.
That was the queen. The queen of the woman kingdom.
Okay, that's her, but what did that highly queen come to do with you and your mother?
I hope she didn't come to pick you as one of her palace maidens.
Never. If she did, she wouldn't have come.
Okay, but she coming to your house is an honor.
Okay, Robin, let me tell you. She actually came because...
My princess! My princess! My princess! My princess, what is it? You don't look cheerful, I suppose. What is it?
Uncle Mike, how did you find out?
Ah, my princess. I don't believe you don't have television at home. Or don't you watch news?
Okay, you two are confusing me now. What is going on?
My princess, may your days be long. You will rule us well.
Uncle Mike.
Your secrets will be safe with me.
Okay, Muna. Why did Okomai just bow to you? And what secret is he talking about?
John, now that my princess has been found, I'll want her to have her own chambers. So you'll need to furnish it very well.
Yes, my queen.
And to you, Peter, from now on, you'll be picking her up from her home to school until she comes to live here with us.
Okay, my queen.
One more thing, John. I'll need you to employ 2 maids, especially for the princess.
Yes, my queen. The secretary to the state is waiting.
Oh! That reminds me. I had an appointment with him. Well, tell him I'll be with him shortly.
Yes, my queen.
Alright. I think that'll be all. Okay. Here we go. Yes.
have shared your pain with me.
I know. I met your late father. I didn't know he was a prince, an heir to the throne.
Hello.
Hi. Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, yeah, good afternoon. My name is Richard. I am a researcher. I came to this village to do a research.
Oh, you're welcome, sir. I'm Helen. I live in this village.
That's good. Oh, I'm so happy to see a beautiful woman like you reading.
Thank you. But that is what I do for a living. Are you a student or something?
Yes, I'm a student. Let me help you.
No, sir. Thank you.
I can do it.
No, I don't want you to enjoy yourself. Oh? I'm fine.
No, let me help you.
This is my work.
Let me help you.
Hey, no. Sir, please. Oh? I don't want you to enjoy yourself, yeah?
No, I won't. Okay, don't worry.
Hey.
Yeah, my start.
Sir, okay. Take this one.
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
Am I not doing it? I know how to do it. I'm doing it very well.
It's okay now.
I've not seen a woman that is as hard-working like you all my life.
Hey, and I've never seen a student that is as strong as you are. Not all students will have the strength to weed the farm the way you did today.
It's because my parents are very poor. I'm from a poor, they cannot even afford my school fees, so I have to do this menial job to sponsor myself in school.
Sorry, same here. My parents are poor. I'm a poor girl, but it is well. This car passed earlier, and now it's passing again.
Oh my God, for this rich men. Because they have money to buy the big cars. They just be asking. They're all cultists.
No! Don't say that, Richard. Not every big man is evil. Besides, you can see the plate number of that car is covered. It could be somebody very important.
Yes, you could be right. You could be right. But what makes you think not all true rich men are cultists.
Richard, I know people say that every rich person is a cultist, but I don't believe that. Do you know why? I know I am poor, a poor girl, but I know I must definitely make it in the future. And if someday I make it and buy myself a car like that, people will start saying she's evil, she has done something. Just like you are. Yes, you are a student now. In the future, you might make it. You can as well get yourself a car like that. So it's not every rich person is evil.
Come. You're very intelligent and wise. How come you're not in school?
No. Nobody to sponsor my education. Nobody to help me. That is why I'm doing this my farm work. At least I'm using it to assist my poor mom and myself. Don't worry, I'm fine. I know you must be very thirsty. Follow me to my house. At least offer you water. Oh? What? Please, oh. You know I'm from a very poor home. Our house is very poor. I don't want you to insult me.
Come on, let's go. Stop it. Okay, what make you think your house is not better than my house?
No, I know my house. The house is not that good at all, but you manage it. He deserves a better cup than this thing. How can I serve him with this?
Be proud of yourself. Be proud of what you are. Give me the water with the cup, I will drink it.
How did you get here?
Give it to me. Thank you very much for the water and your help.
Thank you, Richard. I'm very sorry I couldn't offer you more. You know I'm a poor girl. Please forgive me.
No, stop apologizing for being real. See, I don't know what to say. I like you for that. Being yourself. Not faking yourself, but just real. So listen, you inspired me. These are the kind of people I want to see. Oh God.
Thank you so much.
Listen. Because of this, we are not friends. Yes, I want us to be friends now. Always come to this place to visit you.
Thank you.
See me often.
Thank you. What of your research? Are you done with it? Oh. When are you submitting?
Oh yes. I am done. I really acquired a lot. Yes, and I've compiled my report, everything. I will submit very soon. Yeah, very, very soon, but I will still need your help.
Okay. This car again. This car keeps passing around my village. It's starting to look weird, Richard.
Yes. The same thing I told you before, that these rich people with big cars, see, they are all cultists. See, listen, please, you have to go home now. I don't want anything to happen to you. Please.
No, Richard, I'm fine. Nothing will happen to me. I'm fine. This is my village. Nothing will happen to me.
Sure?
I'm fine. Trust me. Let me walk you down. Oh? Richard.
Yes.
I don't know. Something in me tells me that you are really a nice person.
Wow. Same thing. Something in me also tells me that you're a nice person.
Thank you. Now let me walk you.
Okay. Lucy, I said we're going to do it. You walk to that junction, then you go back where I'll be going. So that before I get to my junction, without me to your junction.
Okay. Thank you so much for coming around and for managing a poor girl.
Thank you for making me so happy. Listen, we're both poor.
My world, my better half, you mean so much to me.
Richard, there's a problem.
Problem? What is the problem? Tell me.
I really don't know how to say this to you.
Really? Just say it the way you want. Some more courage and tell me. See, there is nobody here. We are alone in this place. So I'm listening. Say it.
Richard, do you love me? I mean, how much do you love me?
What? I love you so much with all my heart. See, as far as I'm concerned, right now, you're the best thing that is happening in my life.
You mean so much to me. I love you more than I love myself.
Yes. Okay, fine. Okay. Let me prove it to you.
No, Richard, no. I don't want your money. I know I'm a poor girl, but it's not your money. I don't want your money. Richard, I'm pregnant for you.
I'm not giving you money, but this. You made me so happy. You made me so proud. Now you are going to make me a father. God! Will you marry me?
Yes. Yes, Richard.
Oh my God!
My son, you've taken the right step. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Mama, I want to take her to my place tomorrow so she can meet my people.
It's okay.
Do you think I would not like your people?
I know you like them. They are good people. Yes, good people. Mama, please, I want you to help me put things in place so that I can come with my people to see you.
It's okay. I will have to talk to her father's brothers, then communicate to you. Thank you once more.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Mama.
come in.
Richard. Is this not the same car that has been passing around my village? Richard, what is happening?
Oh, Helen, let's go inside and meet my parents.
Your parents? Wait, you mean your parents stays there?
Helen, this is King Jason's compound, the ruler of Obimo Kingdom. I am his only son, the heir apparent to the throne of Obimo Kingdom. Yes.
What? Richard, you lied to me. Richard, why did you lie to me? Richard, I don't even know you. Please don't.
No. Stop it. Let's go. See, listen to me. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I had to lie to you. I am sorry. I had to lie to you because I want to know the real you. I am in search of a good woman. So I disguised myself. I was the one that came to your village with this car. When I saw you at the farm, I told my driver to drive past you. I came down and walked up to you in disguise. Just to know the real you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Richard, why do you have to lie to me? Why? Look at me. Is this how I'm going to face a prominent king and queen dressed like this? No, let me go.
Stop.
Richard, allow me to go.
Helen, look into my eyes and listen to me. The most important thing is we are here. And I know very well that my parents, they will love you the way they love me. I already told them we are coming today and they are expecting us. Relax. Just relax yourself. All you need to do for me now is to breathe in. Breathe in. Yeah, breathe out. Compose yourself. Relax yourself. Now, behave like a princess. Let's go. Relax. Let's go.
So how was your trip?
It was okay. It was fine. I thought everything went well. It went well.
Okay, that's all right.
Greetings to you, Dad.
Oh, my praise.
May you live long, my king and queen.
Dad, my son, you're welcome. Put you long.
Oh,
that's all right.
Yes, Dad, this is Helen, the woman that has taken my heart away.
What? Richard? Are you out of your mind?
No, Dad, I don't get you.
How dare you? How dare you, a first-class prince, bring this thing you call a girl before my presence, and you even introduced her as your woman?
Jason, please, let's talk about this inside. Please.
I shall go nowhere. I shall go nowhere. In the first place, younger.
Your Highness.
Who are you? Where are you from? Who are your parents?
Your Highness. I'm from Obi. The only surviving daughter of the late Iboko, sir.
Can you hear that? My dear, can you hear that? They are not familiar to me at all. They are not. Can you see the kind of girl my son brought before my presence? Young man,
very sorry, my son will never marry you. Okay? Go and give her food, if you will. Give her enough money to take care of herself. But she has to leave this compound immediately. Do I make myself clear?
Jason, this is not right.
Son, disobey it for a last time. You will disappoint me again.
Dad, you will do no such thing to her.
Please stay.
My daughter, put yourself together. Stop all this. If he really loves you, he will fight for you. He will fight to make you his wife. His father cannot marry you for him.
Mama, you see why I never loved a man? Why me? Why me?
My daughter, this happened in the life of every girl. If your heart is not broken by any man, that means you've not started life at all. Please wait and see if he will come back for you.
Oh? Mama, what if he doesn't come back? What will happen to my baby? Will I have my baby out of wedlock?
We will leave everything for God. Just stop crying so you don't fall sick. Oh? Stop crying. This is what happened to the life of poor people. He abandoned you because you are from a poor home. It's okay. Oh, Mama.
The tears of the poor.
I'll give myself. See that? I'll give myself.
The poor always crying. The world is hard and life is unfair to an ordinary poor girl. The tears of the poor never dry. The poor always crying. The world is hard.
How are you? How are you, baby? Chuku, 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 chuku.
You don't drive yourself?
For now, I don't want anybody to know where you and the baby is, except my mother and I.
Why? Are you afraid? Does your father want to kill me?
No, not my father. His enemies. You see, you will not understand the case at hand. The news of the baby has spread, and they all know that my father does not want you. So my mother and I has decided to take you and the baby away from here. Don't worry. I bought some things for you. I'll get in it later. Okay, let's go inside. Okay? Have you given him food this morning? Yeah. Don't worry, okay. Everything will be fine. We'll just try to put one or two things together. Okay? Alright, stop that.
Helen, how are you doing and how is my granddaughter doing?
Fine, ma. What about you?
I'm well. Thank God. I know it's been a while, since after the king's burial. Well, I decided to send for you just to intimate you about the matter that's on hand.
Okay, ma. I'm all ears.
Mom, please, let me explain to her.
No. Let me talk to her. Helen, I know it's been hard on you. But
Mom, please, please just go straight to the point, please. Helen, listen, in fact, my father placed a curse on me before he died. And that curse is supposed to take effect if I marry you.
Helen, it has not come to that. It has not come to that.
Mom, I can't take this anymore. I can't. I'd rather die in that cause, not marry her.
No, son, don't say that. Don't say that. You see, Helen, what I'm saying is that
He wants my baby.
Oh, little girl, why is she crying? Why is she so sad and lonely? Who will wipe the tears in her eyes? The tears of the poor never dry.
Leave us alone. What is it? What is it? Because of you, I lost my mom. What have I not done for your sake, Richard? Listen, your dad can hate me all he wants, even in the spirit realm. Listen, I don't care. You will never have my baby. Richard, leave my way. Richard, leave my way.
Please, Helen, please. Helen.
Open the door.
Helen.
Open the gate.
Helen.
The tears of the poor never dry. The poor always crying.
Prime Minister.
Who are you and what do you want here?
Sir, Helen. The girl Richard is to marry.
Are you the one the king rejected before he died?
Please, I want to see the queen. I just got a message.
The prince is dead. Richard is dead.
This thing, and she'll be there to direct you. Okay?
But the king hated you. I don't feel happy about this. I wish he knew I'm a princess. My life won't be like this. It would have been different.
I know. You are still very young. Okay? Listen. The queen has suffered so much to find us. You have to give her a chance. I'm very happy that our suffering has ended. Please, you can't let it slide away. Huh? Please.
Joan, you'll have to go do some shopping for Princess Mona today.
Yes, my queen. Her size will be needed.
Just get her something nice. I mean, you know her, so just try and get her something nice.
Okay, my queen.
And please call me Peter.
Yes, my queen.
Yeah, so Dad, tell me, how did you find out that she didn't succeed?
Son, I have my informants in the palace. She did not see the girl. So we have to celebrate. Begin to see yourself as the future king of this land.
You know, I will be so happy if this information is true. Hi.
It pains me that you are so dull. Your late father wasn't like this. You have to be strong.
Why are you sounding like this? Listen, I am strong. My fear was that after parading myself as the heir apparent to the throne, a little girl would just come from nowhere and take over the kingdom.
I am telling you now, one of the maids informed me. I have 2 of them in my palace. I'm still expecting the other one to come and give me her information. On one premise, I promised them that you're going to marry them.
You told them that? But of course you know I will not marry any of them.
Okay. If you want to marry them, fine. If you don't want to marry them, no problem. Begin to see yourself as my future king.
That's it.
That is the main thing.
That's it.
Good morning, madam.
Oh, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm here by the order of the Queen to take Princess Mona to school.
Oh, wow. She has left for school already.
Oh, it's okay. Let me run along. I need to pick up the Queen. Do take good care of yourself.
You too, huh?
All right.
No, I can't believe this. You mean your girl is a real-life princess? Can't believe this.
I put a million on where, but
I can't believe it.
even she self, no. Man,
wow. Even to the extent of being an heiress to the throne. Is that what you're trying to tell us?
What? An heiress to the most wealthy and popular kingdom in this community. Eh? Hey.
now, me breaking this news to you guys is not to start seeing her as a princess and get over there. Now 2 of you and our clique to start seeing me as a king.
Abi, I hail you. My bros, I hail you.
Your bros. My king, I hail you.
You need to hold on this girl tight. Don't let her escape. You know you both have been so close. Tell her now.
You're a bad boy. You don't need me to tell you what you have to do. You suppose know what you go do. Of course. Use your brain.
Not for you. You fuck up. Nah. Come move. Boy, we don't move.
Sir. Yes. You made me a promise that if I tell you everything happened in the palace, you'll make me proud.
Yes. I was the one that put you in that job. So I know what I'm going to do for you. Now tell me the truth. Did she find the princess?
Yes, she did.
Are you sure of what you're telling me? Because I heard that she didn't find him.
I went with her to the ghetto. I saw her myself. She has grown into a beautiful lady. Soon she'll be returning back to the palace.
So the story was true?
Yes, I know there. I can even take you to that place.
No. You have done all I expect of you. All you have to do now is tell me the address. Let me visit them myself.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Damn! I'm so happy for you!
Yeah.
Wait, so my friend will soon become the next king.
That's the point. You know, I know you've been thinking all this while that I've not been showing so much interest and I've been doing somehow.
Yes.
Listen, I've been doing and acting like that because I do not want to put all my hope in this thing. You know, like putting all your eggs in one basket.
Yes.
Yeah, so I've just been relaxed but now I know that the girl does not exist. So I am in charge. I am the next king. Legitimately. No cut corners.
I can't wait.
Yeah, that's it.
Because, wait, when are they going to present you to the council? At least in preparation for the kingship, so that I can come and say, oh, you my king.
And you know what I will do to you? I will just tell you like this. It's okay.
You're already preparing for the kingship.
And you need to get used to it. Bend again. You need to be flexible, my man. Flexible. That's it. You can just be walking and be doing like this. I know you're happy for me.
Yes.
But you will enjoy.
That's why I'm fighting.
You will enjoy it.
That's why I'm fighting, because I know. I know if it comes.
Everything will change.
Like that.
I will change your jeans.
Celebration, right? Celebration. We celebrate it. Hey! Come here. Come. What did I hear you say? You're listening. Did you just call him high with your arms? Yeah? Is that what you said? Don't you know that this is the next king of Obumo Kingdom? Ilayala! Don't you have respect? Hi, Williams!
I know he's a prince,
but
not the heir to the throne, okay?
Okay. So even the prince, you don't even have respect for the prince? What kind of generation is this?
Ken,
Can you imagine?
Ken, calm down. Calm down.
Girls of nowadays?
Ken, calm down. Stop stressing yourself. Why are you wasting time with this girl? When you see my future maidens, you know them. People that will come and sweep the palace for me. Come inside this car. Let me take you somewhere and spoil you. Yeah. Don't waste your energy. Eh? My mom. But you need to call me Igwe. It's okay.
Where have you been? I sent for you, but you were nowhere to be found.
I went to check if the lady that mends clothes is out. So.
Since when are you saddled with the responsibility of mending clothes? Well, anyway, you'll have to go in there and you and John will be going for shopping. And Peter, do stand by. You're taking me somewhere. I'm sure we'll be back before the school dismisses.
Okay, my queen.
So this is true. Rebecca, I have been thinking that I am smart. So you are smarter than I am. You have kept this girl away from all of us all these years. Thanks to Bella. I think it's time for me to visit her. By the time you find out that she's dead, let me know how she will become the queen of this land. I will show you that I have a stronger mind than you are. Goodbye.
You mean you are a real life princess? Not only that, but the heiress to the throne of Obimo Kingdom.
I know you to be this funny, but not a liar or a braggart. Be serious for once.
I'm serious, Joe. I am the heiress to the throne of Obimo Kingdom. I just wanted to lie low until I get the crown.
I don't still believe you. What happened? Don't tell me this is what I've been bothering you.
My mother hid it from me. But now I know. But how will you feel when I'm carrying it as the princess of Obimo Kingdom? You'll be happy, right?
Well, I think some people are learning how to make a speech under a tree. Let's go.
It's okay. Peggy, back to what I was saying. I know what to do. Come, let me show you.
So I want to make sure that you both are safe. So I'm making plans to get you out of here.
Hey, thank you, my queen.
And do tell her not to reveal her real identity to anyone.
I will, ma. I will. I am so glad that she has finally accepted to be crowned.
Thanks to you. Thanks for talking to her. I can't wait to have my granddaughter back in the palace. You know, if you had not taken in for my good son, my husband's dynasty would have been a forgotten issue. And you know, I'm going to be presenting her to the council in the next few days.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes.
Ah, that would be great, my queen. I'm sure she will love it. Thank you.
Okay. Peter.
My queen.
That's for you.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you. Hey, my queen, God bless you, ma. God bless you.
That's fine. In there you have a telephone. Everything has been stored on it. Even my phone number. So you can call me anytime.
Thank you, ma.
It's okay. Do put your things together because the house you're moving into will soon be ready. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, ma.
Mona, you have to be very careful. How can you lie against your fellow students? Why did you say that Tessie and Laura insulted you?
But Ma, they did.
They did.
Ma, I came to you to report what happened. That they insulted me just because their parents are rich.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up and leave my office. Leave my office! Look at her. Their parents are rich. Hello. Please, I'm sorry about all this. Yes. The girl in question is a very wretched girl from a wretched home. Please, please, please. I have handled her. She's just a troublemaker. I have handled it. Your children are safe. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you.